In the world of technology, the ultimate weapon has always been speed. The time it takes to turn an idea into a product. But for decades, that process has been measured in months and has cost thousands or even millions of dollars. But what if that was about to change? What if you could compress 6 months of development into a single weekend? What if you could build a production-grade app with zero code just by describing it? This is the promise of the self-writing internet. We're not just asking, what is Caffeine AI? We're decoding the blueprint to understand why it represents the most unfair advantage in technology today and what it might cost us. So, where does this unfair advantage actually come from? It's not just one thing. It's an entire architectural stack working in concert to create a new form of leverage for builders. It starts with the workflow. Existing AI tools, they're just assistants that give you suggestions. Caffeine AI is a solo engineer. It manages the entire lifecycle at the speed of conversation. This isn't just an efficiency gain. It's a new form of capital, what the industry calls time arbitrage. So the months you save in development becomes your competitive edge. And this extends to the distribution model. Instead of the traditional buy and sell app store, Caffeine introduces the clone, don't buy paradigm. Okay, so say a musician finds a decentralized crowdfunding app. They clone it instantly. They have their own powerful on-chain fundraising platform. Now, they just talk to the AI. This is for my band's new album. Instead of a one-time funding, turn it into a fan subscription model. Give every subscriber a fan token that lets them vote on the album art and tour cities. And in minutes, you haven't just remixed an app. You built a fan-owned, community-run music label that lives entirely on-chain. But to truly understand the scale of this disruption, we have to place Caffeine AI in the context of the modern AI-native world. That landscape is currently dominated by two major powers that look, on the surface, incredibly similar. The first one is what I call the walled garden perfected. This is Google's Firebase Studio. It's an AI-powered workspace that is undeniably powerful, but its purpose is to make it faster to build within Google's centralized world. The AI perfects the garden, but it also reinforces the walls. The second is what I call the high-speed mirage. This is Base 44. It has a user experience that is almost identical to Caffeine's, creating a full web app from text descriptions in just minutes. It's a miracle of speed, but it's a faster way to build the same old thing on the same centralized cloud. Firebase Studio and Base 44 are playing the exact same game. They give you a faster way to build a traditional centralized application. But Caffeine AI is playing a different game entirely. It gives you the power to build a new kind of software. The applications it creates are born 100% on-chain, on the internet computer. They are sovereign, tamper-proof, and unstoppable in a way no competitor can offer. This is the unfair advantage. It is only possible because of ICP's unique architecture. But an honest analysis requires us to look at the other side of this. The very same thing that makes this so revolutionary delegating the entire engineering process to an AI is also the source of its most profound risks. Every powerful advantage casts a shadow. The first danger is the ghost in the machine. AI models learn from vast data sets of human written code, including code with security flaws and biases. So, there's a tangible risk that the AI will reproduce these bugs in the apps it builds, creating a new class of unforeseen vulnerabilities. The second is the vision versus reality gap. The marketing promises a flawless experience, but the early alpha users are reporting a significant gap between the vision and the current buggy reality. This is the greatest immediate threat. If users' expectations are not met, the project risks a catastrophic loss of credibility. Finally, the most subtle danger is the architect's monoculture. And this is the most profound risk. If one AI model is the solo engineer for millions of applications, they may all share a common, invisible logical fingerprint. This could lead to a new, subtle form of centralization, not of infrastructure, but of design philosophy, a monoculture of the mind. Caffeine AI? It's a double-edged sword. It's an unfair advantage with the potential to democratize curation on a global scale. But it comes with significant and unresolved technical and ethical risks. It's the most powerful tool ever handed to the citizen developer. Which leads me to the most important question. Is the promise of empowering billions of new creators worth the risk of delegating our architecture to a black box? Let me know your thoughts, and as always, stay blessed.